Hey there! Today I am going to walk you through how to add products to your Shopify store and organize them into collections. Whether you're completely new to Shopify or just need a little guidance, this tutorial will make things super simple. Let's start by heading to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, go to Products and click on Add Product. This is where we'll start building your first product listing. Begin by giving your product a name. Let's say you're adding a sunglasses, maybe call it something like Metaverse 2.0. Add a description for your product. If you're stuck, Shopify's built-in AI tools can help you craft one using keywords and the tone you want. But if you've already prepared a description, like I have, just paste it in. Once the description's ready, it's time to add product images. Make sure they're high quality, as they'll leave a lasting first impression. Drag and drop your images into the media section and feel free to rearrange them by simply dragging them around. After that, set your pricing. For example, if your sunglasses cost $51, enter that amount. If it was previously priced higher, like $59, you can add that as a compare at price to show it's on sale. Now let's move on to inventory. Shopify makes it easy to track your stock. Enter the quantity you have on hand, maybe 10 sunglasses here. Shopify will automatically update your stock count as products sell. If you want to allow purchases even when stock runs out, there's an option for that too. For shipping, you can add the product weight, especially if your shipping rates depend on it. If your product comes in multiple colors or sizes, you can add those as variants. Let's say your sunglasses is available in black and silver. Add those options, and don't forget to assign the right image and stock quantity to each variant. You can even set different prices for each one if needed. Before we save the product, let's take a quick look at the search engine listing preview. This is how your product will appear on platforms like Google. If you want to tweak the title, meta description, or URL, this is the place to do it. Once everything looks good, click Save. And just like that, you've added your first product. Now, let's organize these products into collections. Collections help keep your store tidy and make it easier for customers to browse. Go back to the Products section. Then click on Collections. You'll notice a default collection called Homepage. If you don't need it, feel free to delete it. To create a new collection, click on Create Collection, give it a name like Limited, and add a short description if you'd like. You can also upload a collection image to make it visually appealing. For now, I'll set this collection to manual, so I can add products to it myself. Once your collections are set up, it's time to add products to them. Browse and pick the items you want in this collection. After that, hit Done. When you're done, your collections will be filled with products, and your store will be well organized. That's it for today's tutorial. Listing products is a crucial step in setting up your Shopify store. And now you're all set to move forward. If you have any questions or want to explore more customization options, stay tuned for my next guide. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.